This little white dot in the middle of the ocean is the most remote uninhabited island in the world. Welcome to Remote Islands Part 3. 1,000 miles from the nearest continent, Antarctica, only 10 by 5 kilometers across, the island is a single volcano almost entirely covered by a glacier and surrounded by some of the most treacherous waters on the planet. Bouvet Island is an island you would not want to be stuck on. The island is found where the bottom of the Atlantic Ocean meets the Southern Ocean, and it's almost exactly at the triple point between three tectonic plates, the South American plate, the African plate, and the Antarctic plate. So it's at a junction of tectonic activity, but the whole island is one single shield volcano that has built up out of the seafloor over time. Incredibly, this tiny island almost at the bottom of the world is actually an overseas territory of Norway, which is almost 8,000 miles away. It was annexed and claimed by the Norwegians in the late 1920s, but the first documented discovery of this island was in 1739 by the Frenchman Jean-Baptiste Charles Bouvet Island. This was the first documented discovery, but that's not to say that it hadn't been found before, but maybe people just didn't make it back afterwards. These are some of the most treacherous waters in the world. Like I say, 1,000 miles to the nearest continent, Antarctica, even further to South Africa or to South America. This is a volcanic island, a single shield volcano covered by a glacier, and it's thought the most recent eruption is about 2,000 years ago. It was thought there was a more recent eruption in the 1950s after a small mass of land appeared off the side of the island, but it turned out from later research that was actually just a landslide. As I mentioned, this is an uninhabited island by people, but actually there's a lot of wildlife there. Being where it is in the middle of the Southern Ocean, the island actually acts as a refuge, not just for ocean-dwelling animals, but also for seabirds, so you will find seals and a lot of the wildlife that you may associate with Antarctica and sub-Antarctic islands. So that was Bouvet Island, the most uninhabited remote island in the world. Stick around for more remote islands.